So my name is Sonu. I'm leading the customer success indirect team in the Odoo India right now. So okay, we will start this session. What the agenda we are going to cover in this. The first of all, we will check what are the sales structure in Odoo India team, followed with by the introduction of our CST team. Then the CST, how the CST workflow will be done. And the fourth point will be the better customer management, how we can guide you for the better customer and how we can help you as a partner also, and what are our contribution to our sales team and our Odoo India team, right? So let's start our first point of the sales structure. We in the sales structure is more or same in the all the Odoo globally. We have two different channels. One is for direct sales and another one is for indirect sales, right? Let's start the for first vertical is for direct sales, where we have three different departments, and in vertical 2 for the indirect we also have three different departments. The direct sales is right now we have 150 employees which directly deal with the customers, and they will show the features and they will give the demos to them and they will close the deal. Second department is the MMC department, right, which we have in this year only we have started this mid-market team, and followed by our CST direct team, where my colleague Mr. Dhruv is leading that team. And second vertical is our PR team, partner recruitment team, first of all, then followed by our AM team, and lastly the CST indirect team, which where I came from, the CST indirect. This is the basic sales structure which we follow in the Odoo, right? Okay, the introduction of our team CST indirect, right? We are the coolest department. Why? Because we are the bridge between the customers and the partner, for the official partner or all the partners, and each of our employees in my team are handling almost 100 or 200 number of subscription right now, more or less 100 or 200 subscription plus partners. They are in conversation with all of them. Okay, as I have saved the CST direct team, which the direct customers are there. They are the bridge between the customers and our internal Odoo team. Internal Odoo team means it could be any team, right? It could support team, upgrade team, R&D team, or the technical team. It could be anything. And CST indirect team will be bridge between the customers, internal team, and the partners, right? So we always look in the partners. If any customer is facing any issue, we always look in the partners. We find the solutions within we will look with the partner, and then we will come to our internal team how we can solve this issue. Okay, currently the team size, coming to our team sizes, we have started the CST team in the 2019 initially in the Odoo India, where the initially one person was for CST direct and one person for CST indirect was there. That couple of years till 2022, we have increased our team size from 4 person for each team, and one TL was there. This also structure was continued for couple of years in 2024. Now we have divided these two departments into different teams, where one is leading by me and one is leading by my colleague Mr. Dhruv, and in both the simultaneously we have 6 and 7 employees right now. This is, and we are also increased our team size, maybe 10 or maybe 10 to 15 in the coming years. This is what our team size is all about right now. Then how? Let's come to workflow. What is the workflow for the CST indirect or direct, right? So first of all, starting if any customer is taking, we have two different channels. So we have two different ways from where we get the subscription for the CST direct or the indirect. For CST means customer success direct team, they will get the subscription from our direct team, and from the indirect, from the account manager, first of all partner will recruit from the PR team, partner recruitment team. then followed by our AM team, account manager team. They will help the partners to close the new customers, and then when the customer is get onboarded, then that particular subscription is transferred to our team, is customer success indirect team. They have purchased the subscription, right? Then we came into the picture. We are the first point of contact for them to give the basic knowledge and how we can help to them and how to do the implementation work, right? We guide the basic thing. If in fact in the CST directive, they suggest to take the initial pack if they are facing any issue to make the implement the project successful, right? This is the how the CST workflow is all about, starting from the purchase to the end. We are doing this process for the CST time. Okay, this is the main thing, how we can help you as a customer and the partner, right? So we will go one few points where we can help you and how, up to how much level we can help you. So the onboarding and assistance, followed with the support and troubleshooting, then customization and optimization, and ongoing guidance and learning, continuous learning. So we will go one this point where we can help you how we do the process, what I have shown in the workflow and all the things. We will go one on these cases, right? Okay, onboarding and assistance. Suppose my colleague Mr. Tu has taken the subscription from us. What our initial step or what we will do as a CST team, right? We will guide them, we will onboard them. The initial, what first thing we will do is we will drop one email to them. We are having the basic and initial information in that, having the documentation link plus subscription key. What is your subscription key? How you can reach to us? This is the very initial thing we will do. Very followed by we will schedule one call with the partner if it is partner is involved in that case. Otherwise, if the direct team, we will have in 1 or 2 days. We will schedule one call and meeting with the direct customer itself. Then the assistance, coming to the assistant part, if we are the very first point of contact for them. So if a customer or partner came to us, if anything is, we have this type of issue, they report it to us, then our first thing we will do is, if we are know that yes, this is the issue, we will provide them the documentation or how we can solve it. This is the first level of escalation. This we can handle from our end, right? Okay, coming to the next part is support and the troubleshooting, right? Support, if the customer asks us the first level support, we will provide them. If it is possible, then it's good. Otherwise, we have asked them to please raise one support ticket, right? The support ticket could be anything for the functional thing or could be a technical thing. First of all, we have to identify the issue, then we can address accordingly. We have the team, then we will identify, we will go there, particular team. If we have support from the Belgium, means all over the globe, how support work will be, the support structure is 24/7. We have tried to give the support for the all time, starting from the India, then followed by our Middle East team, then the Belgium team, and the last one is the US team. So we tried to give the support for 24/7, and we have started for the hotline number also. If anything is there, they can call on the directly call, and if it is possible, our support team can help you for on call also, and if it is possible, they will come on the Google Meet also. If the issue is very much less and in 1 to 2 minutes or few configuration is there, they can help you, right? Troubleshooting part, we are proactively monitoring all the subscription which have right now with our team. If could be anything that lead to the database expiry, then our team will check every time within 10 to 15 days if anything upsell is there or anything there, then they will ask the customer or partner to resolve it as soon as possible. So we proactively check all the things to Odoo environment also. Coming to our third point is customization and optimization. Yes, this is the main point. Yes, customer started with the Odoo standard one. Then they feel, okay, now we need to do some customization. Okay, up to which level we have to do it, they don't know, right? Or if the partner is there, they are the first point of contact, so they know how to do it, or up to which level they can do it, so they do not face any issue in the performance, right? Or the workflow, what are the workflow they want to do is the partner, they can help the customer to ensure that all the things are going fine, and up to which level they can do the customization, right? The customization is very important, and we of course face this type of issue from the partner also, and from the customer also. In the phase one, they have started the project and they didn't complete the customization part, or the what they feel is still the partner is not responding. So in this case also we help up to some level, not on the full type, but up to some level we help them, and up to which level we can customize the system. Lastly, the optimization part. Why the customization is important, and up to which level we have to guide them as a partner also. And optimization is helpful for them because of course you know the Odoo SH is sustained for the last 5 versions. As soon as version 18 will launch, version 13 will be discontinued. So if you have very much more amount of customization, it would be very hard to upgrade your database, because the custom line of code will be very much more, right? So it will be very difficult for the partner also, or the customer also, to give them more amount of time and money and all the things. So we always ask them to do the less customization and have the more and more use of the Odoo standard vanilla only, so they do not face any type of issue in this case. Okay, ongoing guidance. If a customer or partner started the project, and if they feel that we need some help from the Odoo, of course we are there from the backside, right? But we have different teams also. Mainly the functional consultant team is there, who can guide you what are the best practice we should follow according to the industry, and up to which level, or what the workflow or the configuration we should do to achieve that the result, either means without doing any customization. That will be help for them or the customer to have more knowledge for that also. They know how to do it. For the consultant, they know how to do all the parts. Again, our support means our team will regular check-ins in all the things, from the subscription part to upsell part and all the things, and they will also give you some basic demo for if customer is from the direct team. If they ask Sonu, what is the new feature coming in the Odoo version 18? So our team will guide you, for the basic thing, they will guide you. This is the basic feature, and it will be available in version 18. Right? They will guide you for that. And the very last is continuous learning. So continuous learning. So for us, it is already free of cost only. We have means doing free of webinars. You have to just register yourself to keep all the things informed. We are doing the YouTube's live, giving the YouTube live for the basic features and all the things, to stay update and all the things what we are doing in up to date, day to day our on the new features. We are giving it all the free of cost only, right? And now coming to our very good point is CST indirect. Maybe you have attended the seminar of Mr. Fabian in the morning also. He has shown the figures, what is right now the current new customer. This particular thing for new customer is approx 215 new customer we are adding in the CST indirect. Means you imagine what I told you previously is we are handling 200 customers. Now imagine if any one customer we will schedule one call, then it will take half an year to introduce ourselves only. So that's why we are increasing our team size also. This is very much great achievement for us and the partner also. We are increasing our partner size is also now they are up to 370 in India. So it's great. From year 2014 till now 2024, it's very good number of users getting as a new customer to us as a customer success for the direct and indirect. Of course, this number is for the direct and the indirect. It's not for the only the partner, but including the customer success direct, because we have some policy. The direct sales team will have the new customer for maybe 6 or 9 months, then it will transfer to our team, CST direct team, right? Okay, we have this much of customers, so they will be happy or they will be sad or they will be ongoing on implementation is going on. So what is the percentage for this? So here is the customer success rate. Success rate for the client, almost 80 to 81% which we have right now is are happy with the Odoo. We have seen a lot of customer over here also in past 2 days. They are very much happy. That's why they come to us, and still we are in the phase where we are implementation is going on for the partner from partner side also, and from our team also, means direct team also. And of course, we have our sad customer also, but they are using the Odoo. It's not like that they are not using the Odoo. Yes, they have some queries and concern, but at last they are using the Odoo. We anyhow retain that customer, right? So this is the very much interesting statistics for us. Okay. Very last moment is this is for achievements, what we achieve and what our key figures are there. Currently we are handling 2500 of subscription, means the customer in customer success manager team including partner and the direct team, right? Every 700 plus new users we are adding every quarter. Means suppose any customer have taken 10 number of users initially, then they will do the upsell. So in that case, plus 700 means you think about every quarter we are adding 700 number of licenses every year, right? Recurring revenue, this is the very recurring revenue, 5.5 million USD dollar, which both the team, direct and indirect team, is the recurring revenue we are achieving right now. This is the target. Of course, this is very half year is done. Still, we will definitely achieve this target for sure. Retention ratio, 92% retention ratio is there. Of course, we have some. We are trying to improve ourselves from scratch to increase the retention ratio also. From 92 to 95, something like that. We have put one target to increase our retention ratio. And lastly, the year-on-year growth. What was the number of retention, revenue, users? What was the last year as compared to that? We have 144 growth this year, right? So this is all about the CST team. Okay, thank you for your presence. Thank you. This is for Odoo India. This is for Odoo. I will ask if you have any question, you just scan it or ask me anything. If you have any question, okay. We have developers in Odoo India also, from the Belgium also, from the US also. We have team size currently in the India is 750, right? In the US also 750. Belgium is in the Belgium we have 1000 plus employees over there in maybe Odoo India service and all the things. Maybe 200 plus R&D team and 200 plus employees is for this development.
Another question is that when you are deploying the Odoo on cloud,
Okay.
it's your cloud, right?
Okay.
So
Online. Online only.
Online version.
Okay.
So online version, this is the cloud is based out of India or it is outside?
Okay, this is a Odoo online version is a cloud-based service. We are taking also service from the Google only. It's a Google-based cloud.
So you are a GCP user.
That technical part I will be not wearing off, but of course we have one data center in the Mumbai also. If anyone is creating any new database in version 70 currently and maybe in the version 18, so that particular database for the online only, that will be hosting on the maybe Mumbai data center. Of course, the hosting for the Odoo SH and all the things, as per our policy, we have 3 different backups for Odoo SH. That could be anywhere in the Singapore hosting or Taiwan or the Belgium or anything. We have 3 different backups. And whenever you are creating any project for the Odoo SH, at that particular of time, you can select in which version or which location you want your database. If any customer is from the outside of the India, you have that. When you are creating the new project with the key, you have that option.
So when you are deploying Odoo on-prem,
On-premise.
when you are deploying Odoo on-prem, the security and everything, the database, everything lies with the customer, right?
Yeah.
So Odoo will not take any responsibility on that.
See, recently we have started this service also. We have few experts for that also. For Odoo on-premise, of course, you have to buy some hours from us. That hours would be 50, 100 or anything according to your infrastructure. Our expert will guide you for all the things, or up to which server you can take it, or up to how much level according to your database size.
So do you have your in-house team for managed services?
Means for this infrastructure?
Yeah.
Yes, we have one expert, 1 to 2 expert. They can guide you. Initially, see, this setup we will do for one time, right? Then they can help you for the initial part. In fact, after that also they can guide you. Not an issue.
And on cloud, how do you ensure for the cloud security? So you have your
cloud
in-house
security
team
is
or-
already done. We have SLN, all the things. Security is already there. It's already in the enterprise version. It is not something different. It is already on the website.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Do you have any questions? Yes, sir.
Yeah, you mentioned ratio of success rate and
Yes.
SAD.
Yes.
As a partner, can you highlight about what are the concerns of that 6% which I should be aware of?
Okay. See, sir, you know the customer is very rigid at one point of time, right? And second thing is a good customer. Second is very difficult to handle in each and every point. Maybe you have faced. No, we want this type of customization only. Initially, there was no plan for that, and after that, they have added that plan. We have, in fact, in last 2 days, I have met lot of partners, new partners. I would say the new partners, where the phase 1 they have started with the Odoo vanilla standard one or the custom one. They will use the Odoo studio application to do all the things. Then initially in the phase 1 they are okay, but after that they will increase their size and they will know we need this type of customization, we need this type of customization. Up to one level you also know we can help you or not as a partner, right? This is the point number 1. In fact, the point number 2 is the pricing part, right? In fact, we have this pricing is very much low. Maybe the pricing for the partner or the AMC is very much different. We are not involving in that case, right? Maybe the user size is maybe 5 or 10. They can afford the solution for this, but the services for the partner, they are maybe costly for them, right? And again, the last or few things, maybe the feature, things, maybe the direct team are facing maybe some type of issue right now. They are there for the testing one only. They are the said, they take the subscription upfront, maybe for 1 month or 2 months, then they will not renew their subscription for the monthly one, right? But the sad part is that maybe they have take the subscription for the testing only.
These are the most known, as you are mentioning.
Sorry?
Most known case, this the cases what you mentioned now. The sad.
Uh, these are the known cases, of course, right? And the very 6% is, see, of course, we can't able to retain 100%, right? And we can't able to convince each and every person. If the customer is good, but the partner is not supporting. In fact, one point I missed last thing is, but the partner change request, right? The partner change request is very common to us, but we stick to the customer. No, the thing which you have started from the initial partner, you should stick with them. But as you know, the Indian customer is very rigid to handle. Maybe they will go with the different partner, but we try to explain, no, it is not well and good for them. What we do in these cases, generally we try to schedule one meeting with the initial partner, the customer and us, and try to figure out their solutions for that all the things. Okay. Any more question? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your presence.